To make sugar syrup or golden syrup for sweets and desserts, pour 1 cup of water into 2 cups of sugar in a pot under medium heat. And let the sugar dissolve slowly in the water without using a spoon, so that your syrup does not become sugary at all. And also, the sugar must be dissolved in the water before the water boils. And if the water boils before the sugar dissolves, take 2 handles of the pot and turn the pot until the sugar dissolves. Until the sugar dissolves in the syrup, I'll provide some explanations about the importance of syrup. Syrup plays a crucial role in various culinary applications due to its ability to add sweetness, moisture, and flavor to dishes and beverages. In baking, syrup acts as a natural sweetener and helps to retain moisture, resulting in softer and more flavorful cakes, cookies, and pastries. Additionally, syrup is essential in the production of beverages, where it serves as a base for cocktails, smoothies, and flavored drinks, enhancing their taste and texture. Moreover, syrup is often used in confectionery to coat candies and create glossy glazes for cakes and pastries, adding both sweetness and visual appeal. Overall, syrup is a versatile ingredient that adds depth and richness to a wide range of culinary creations. Now let's move on to preparing the sugar syrup. Pay attention. After the sugar dissolves, you can use wooden spoon. Add 2 quarters of a teaspoon of acid citric or lemon juice to the syrup. Of course, it is better to use citric acid. And then add half a spoon of glucose. Adding glucose is optional and helps make your sweets and desserts shiny. Then let your syrup boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your favorite essence. Here I added a spoon of rose water and a teaspoon of saffron. Then let your syrup boil for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then turn off the gas. Be aware that the syrup will thicken after cooling. If your syrup is too thick, it will not penetrate the sweets or desserts. And if it is too thin, it will soften your sweets. Make sure to stick to the exact minutes and proportions I mentioned in video so you don't run into any issues. The concentration of your syrup is so important, and it should be the same as the syrup in the film. Like this.